starts to show. HTML lines begin to flow. CSS colors, let them grow. JavaScript makes the functions glow. Hum a tune as code becomes a song. Login page in a world where we belong. Lazy loops and tags all night long. We hum the words where we feel so strong.
Form and label align just right. Input field shining in the night. Login button ready in our sight. Hum a tune as code becomes a song. Login page in a world where we belong. Lazy loops and tags all night long. We hum the words where we feel so strong. Sign up or just log inside.
Code whispers secrets we can't hide.
Session keeps our data tight.
Browsers take us on a ride. Hum a tune as code becomes a song. Login page in a world where we belong. Lazy loops and tags all night long. We hum the words where we feel so strong.
Started the day with a spark of thought. Blueprints ready for the page we sought. HTML lays the framework strong. A digital symphony coding along. We weave the code, bring dreams alive. Design flows where visions thrive. Beyond the keys, a world takes shape. Through every line we dare, we create. Shadows cast where CSS leads. Animations glide, matching our needs. A tab refresh, the vision appears. The browser displays what we've engineered. We weave the code, bring dreams alive. Design flows where visions thrive. Beyond the keys, a world takes shape. Through every line we dare, we create. Input stand ready, fields in their place. Gradients rise like a dawn's gentle face. Borders curved, each detail refined. In this coded world, form meets design. We weave the adjust every view. From widescreen monitors to devices new.
Errors are tracked, issues erased. A perfect login, all in its place.
We weave the code, bring dreams alive, designing flows where visions thrive. Beyond the keys, the world takes shape through every line we dare, we create. Now we click every line we write, building features that feel just right. From dark mode with blue borders bold, into edit edges shining like gold. Now the page is ready, perfect and bold. In every pixel our stories told.